Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a name on Subway Surfers. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the game, and then in here, just make sure that you're under the Home tab. Okay, tap on Home, close any pop-ups, and then here, just go to the top left and tap on your profile. Okay, this one is your profile besides the high score. Tap on it. And here, as you can see, this is the default name. So what you'll do to change it is just tap on the edit button below your profile picture. Tap on edit. Now you can go ahead and change your portrait right here, especially tap on your name. Now go ahead and type down your preferred name. All right, once done, just tap on OK. Unfortunately, you won't be able to type down numbers, okay? Just letters. All right, that is between 2 to 15 characters long. All right, once that's done, hit on OK. And do take note that you can only change your name once every 7 days. If you're really sure, tap on continue, wait for it. Once done, you're good to go. All right, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.